Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna steak. First, select fresh, high-quality tuna steaks, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Next, gather your basic seasonings. A good quality olive oil, some sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. These simple ingredients will truly let the natural flavor of the tuna shine through beautifully. Now let's get those steaks ready for the pan. Lightly brush both sides of your tuna with olive oil, ensuring an even coating. Then season them generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy here. The seasoning really enhances the flavor. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan like a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking. This high heat is key for a beautiful, quick sear. Place your seasoned tuna steaks carefully into the hot pan. Sear them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side for a delicious rare to medium rare doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, tuna cooks very quickly, so keep a close eye on it. Adjust your cooking time slightly based on the thickness of your steak and how you prefer it cooked. Once cooked to your liking, remove the tuna steaks from the pan and place them on a cutting board. It's essential to let them rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your tuna against the grain into beautiful half-inch thick pieces and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly cooked tuna steak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.